Gratitude isn't just some feel-good BS. It's a psychological weapon that's been scientifically proven to rewire your brain. But 97% of men get it completely wrong. I spent years dismissing gratitude as soft until I discovered what actually happens to your brain when you practice it consistently. The harsh truth: your brain is hardwired to focus on threats and problems. It's an evolutionary survival mechanism. But in today's world, it's destroying your mental performance. When you're constantly scanning for what's wrong, you literally can't see opportunities in front of you. The neurological hack. Daily gratitude practice doesn't just feel nice. It physically rewrites your neural pathways. It floods your brain with dopamine and serotonin, the same chemicals released during sex and victory. It activates your prefrontal cortex, enhancing decision-making and focus. It reduces cortisol by up to 23%, the stress hormone that kills performance. The elite performance method. Most people do gratitude wrong. Here's how the top 1% use it. Make it specific. I'm grateful for the gym being empty this morning hits harder than I'm grateful for health. Make it physical. Feel the gratitude in your body, not just think it. Stack it with your existing morning routine. After brushing teeth, before checking phone. The steal test. The guys who mock gratitude are the ones who need it most. Real strength isn't ignoring tools. It's using everything available to win. Try this. 3 specific gratitudes every morning for 14 days. Write them down. You'll feel different by day 3. By day 14, you'll wonder how you functioned without it. Who's brave enough to start tomorrow?